Yeah. Yeah, it was 7.5 hours from when my water broke, so yeah, it was pretty easy. And the only hard part was just the contractions in the beginning before I got the epidural. There was a lot of pain, but then after the epidural, I didn't feel any of it, like not even the birth. Like, yeah, I would say we got here like maybe 3 o'clock or 2:30. I think he was born at 8:30 or 8:22. Yeah, so not long. Yeah.